Everyone, my name is Andrea Hutcheson and I am an elite leader with paparazzi accessories. I've been with paparazzi since 2012, and so I love learning, I love teaching others, and that's one of my passions. And I don't mind helping other consultants because there's room at the top for all of us. So today on this video, I'm going to be showing you quickly. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I'm going to give you some tips, and then you can play around on how to create your own website. Well, you're asking yourself, why should you create a website for yourself when we have a replicated site for free from our paparazzi accessories company? And that's totally great. I actually use my paparazzi replicated site because, of course, it's free. And this is a tutorial for leaders, mainly for those who do not mind spending the money on creating a website, and also a website for their team and for themselves. And I'm going to give you some reasons why you should create a website of your own. So I still use my paparazzi replicated site, and it's actually Andrea Hutcheson, and then it just pops up as a paparazzi because I did buy a domain through GoDaddy, and then I resend it to my paparazzi replicated site. But let me show you one of my websites that I've created. I created this website, which is called getyoursparkles.com, and you can go check it out as well to see that it's real. But here I created me a website because I want my website, whenever I send my customers, whenever I send potential people who are asking about joining, I want them to be redirected to a website that is not common. It's a website that is of my own, and it has my own information, my own story, my own perks, my own details, and this is totally me. So if we scroll down, it shows them why they should join our team, our story, and then shop. You can even create a website where you can start selling your own inventory on stock. The stuff that you have bought from paparazzi, you can create your own online store. There's a lot of people that don't go and shop online because they rather shop through Facebook. But when you click on join, there's my video, which is my own personal story, where I talk to them why they should join my team, why myself, and then I go into the different details about joining paparazzi. I also have made the story of the founders, the paparazzi founders, my story with my husband, where we both talk, and the rank that we are currently in as of 2018. And of course, the benefits, why they should join paparazzi and what paparazzi gives to them. They do not get all of this from our replicated site. They only get a small story from us. They do not have the founder's story. And then I offer them free jewelry, so they can even they can find out how to host a party. What is it that they get whenever they book a party with me, what kind of party they can get, if they can earn their kid. Everything can be in this site, and it can be personalized on my own needs for my customers. They can go ahead and book a party with me, and through my services of what I have available for them, which is Facebook Live parties, they go book it. They can pick the day, the time, because I do parties from Monday through Thursday, because I invoice on Friday and I ship and I package everything on the weekend. And of course I have different ministries, so that doesn't intervene. And on Monday I just ship out their items. So they can click and book and say, yes, I want to. And then they put their name, email, phone number, and their message. And guess what? This is going to be added to my own personal calendar, which hopefully you can learn with me about time management. And I do have a calendar as well. I also have FAQ, what to know before you join, and I talk to them and why they should join, and their frequently asked questions. And then I have imagine your picture here, so I make everything all personal. And today, and I even link my paparazzi website because they click on shop. They can just click on shop and they can go shopping. And I even have more. I even have the policies and procedures, and I have added a video in there so that they know the things that they need to know before joining paparazzi. So everything has been personalized because of me making a website. I have also created a website for my team that many of you know, which is letsflourishtogether.com. It took me several months to get all this together because it was a lot of information that I had to gather for everything so that I can bring my team members just one spot for them to be able to find everything that they need. So how do you do this? How do you create your own website? Well, let me share with you the website that I have used for the past 2 years. And I hope that this video can be helpful. And if you find it helpful, maybe you already knew about it, but you didn't know how to really use it, but now you're going to be able to use it. Please share it with somebody else. Share this video, like this video if you like the content that I'm giving today. So the website that I use is a very common website, and it's called Wix. Wix is an amazing free platform, but you can upgrade it to premium. And as you can see, I have websites for my Spanish team. I have my own website. I have another website where I teach my team members about social media. I have the Let's Flourish Together one, and then different ones. So how do you create your own website? You click on the top right corner where it says create a new site, and it will give you different templates depending on what is it that you're wanting. Maybe you're not a paparazzi consultant and you're wanting to build maybe a photography website. Maybe you are into the business of a restaurant or food or accommodations. You can choose whatever it is that you're wanting to create. So, for example, we can start with an online store as well. You can do businesses. So I'm just going to click on beauty and wellness. And I will recommend that you create your website with the Wix editor because it gives you thousands of designs features. So choose a template, super easy. You can scroll down and see which one you like the best for you. And they have several thousands of websites. And today I'm going to be able to show you just a little bit on how to change all of this, but you just play with it. Did you know that websites cost so much for other people to create for you? People could be charging $1,500, they could be charging $700, $500, but you can create yours totally for free. Does it take time? Yes. But it's so worth it. So I'm just looking into different templates. So we're just going to pick one that we might like. So we're just going to pick family photography. And then we go into the Wix website editor. And it's super quick. And while we're waiting, there it is. You can make this your own. Click on text, we can change that. And we're just going to put Andrea Hutcheson. And we're just going to put work from home, and you have your own menu right here. All you have to do is click on them, and whenever you're joining Wix and for the first time, they have different tutorials that can walk you through how to use Wix. So you can manage the menu, you can change the menu, you can choose for this not to show. Like we can go to settings, and you want it hide from menu, you don't want it hide from menu, it can appear there. You can have layouts, not header and footer, we like it standard. You can also have permissions, which it means that if you want it, you can make it password holders where people need to sign in with a password if you don't want everybody to see it, or you can make it a members only for people to only access that. I have not dig into the CEO social. So maybe you want to dig into that. I know that my page and my pages that I've created, they're not on the first page of Google because I don't know everything and I did not go to school to learn this, okay? I just learn on my own. I just look into different coaches and I just keep learning as I go. So you can do that. And so we can change the menu, you can change the name of it, and then you can change the pictures as well. Manage media, you click on that, and you can select all of the pictures, and let's say you don't want any of them, so we're going to click and delete. Now we're going to click and get started, and we're going to choose image, and of course I already have some pictures in here, but I can also upload some pictures. So I took some pictures from Mandy Beeler, which is an amazing photographer and blogger that is a paparazzi consultant, and she's also one of my uplines. So we're just going to choose the different pictures that she has made for paparazzi. And we're going to upload them into the files. So there's 15 pictures that are being uploaded. And done. And so what is it that you do? You select all of those pictures to be added into your gallery because we're trying to change it. And see how cute it comes down? Maybe we need one more. So you click on Manage Media. We're going to add an image again. And let's just say that we want to maybe add the faith over fear. Okay, and we click done. So now we are good to go. And then we can change this by clicking on that, and you can edit the text. So you can put 2018 in your name or your company, which in my case is Tap Into Success. And you can just delete that. You can add your social media platform, set social links, and they are already there. But see, on Facebook, we want to change the link because we don't want it to go to Wix. We want it to go to our our website, our Facebook account. So in my case, and then I just click done. And you can do Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, whichever you want. How do you find the icons? You can just Google social media icons and download them and then add the icons in there. So that's just that. And let's just say we save our work, okay? And I'm going to publish now. And now I am able to see my site. And look how cute it looks. It looks so professional. And then I can click on the different menu options, which absolutely we're going to change because we are just playing with our website. But see, the reason why nobody knew that I was using Wix is because I upgraded it. I upgraded it to Premium. So you have two different options. You have the personal use combo, which is $11 a month. It gives you storage, it connects you to your domain, it removes Wix ads, and then it gives you a free domain for a whole year. Or you can use the unlimited one, which gives you 1 video hour, it gives you 300 ad brochures, booster apps, builder apps, a free domain for a whole year. The same thing then here, or you can go to VIP. So I would just recommend the combo one just because I want you to remove the Wix ads. I don't want that to show, and I want you to have your own domain. You don't want your site to come up, tap into success, wixsite.com. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that. You want it to be clean looking, just like this one right here. Nobody knows that it was created through Wix. Well, now you know, right? So you can add all kinds of different things. All you have to do is play with it. So we're gonna go back. You can look, how does it look on the phone? And see, it gives you options. What happens? How do you use it? What kind do you want? It disappears. Do you want it to fade off? Look how cool it is. You want it fixed so that it shows right there. Which one is it that you want? So we're going to click on that one. You want it to float. You can even get, like whenever you go to my Let's Flourish Together, I have a chat where I talk to people, and you can download the app on your phone and you can just respond. Like if you were the machine, it goes directly to your phone. So do you want on the bottom? So I'm just going to click on the bottom. Do you want to add this feature back to the top? Yes, we do want to add this feature. And then good job. And see, like I told you, they have different YouTube videos on how to create that. Okay, so it goes back to that, and it shows you if you want to change anything. You can also go back to switch to desktop. You can add right here, change header design. See how it does have color? You can add color to it. We can customize that. And let's just say that we want to see settings, connect to domain, get a mailbox, upgrade, be found on Facebook, but I haven't been able to use all of those. You can also get a code and like I said, upgrade. But let's just say that you want to switch pages. We're going to pregnancy. We of course want to change all of those names, and because it's photography, it just shows a bunch of pictures. But just pick the option that you think it's best for you and just start by publishing it. And you will have your own website today. So I hope this video has really been helpful to you. I really recommend that if you do create your own website, make sure you create your videos. And you can add that onto your website. And how do you do that? See where it says menus and pages, it has that. Then it has page background. You can add a page background. You can add a video, image, or color. Here where is the plus button, you can add text, images. You can add galleries. You can add shapes, interactive. I love the interactives. They're so fun. You can add buttons. You can add boxes, strip. It's really fun just for the about us or at your title. Look how cute they have. Different things that you can just add and change. You have lists and grids, you have videos, and that's how you add a video. And you can even create your video channel here as a strip. It's so fun. You can add music. If you click on the United Fashionista, which is the Let's Flourish Together website, it has music over on the corner. Super cute. You can add social media icons, the contact information. You can add the menu, which it can be cuter than what it looks right now. You can add a light box, blogging, a store, which is an online store. You can add the members area, and even more. You can even add, the PayPal buy. In another video, I can show you how to add your PayPal buy and donate, and all different things. This one right here is the Wix App Market. So you can add the Wix chat. You can add the social. You can add the business tool. You can add it. And it's super fun. You can do your uploads already so that you have them ready. This one right here is to promote your new website with a beautiful shout out email, which they also have an email thing that you can use and which you already pay if you upgrade to premium. The booking manager is so much fun, and you can also create a blog. So I hope that has been helpful, and let me just show you really quick. Select and edit site, which is my Let's Flourish Together website, which is a premium upgrade. The reason why I have premium is because I do have a members contacts and contacts list and the people that I have in here. But see, when I click on that, depending if they are on my team or not, I send them a message asking them for their consultant ID so that I approve them, and then I can just click approve to them. And so super fun. Like Mindy, she gave me her consultant ID. I just go into my back office and search, and I can approve her, because there's some things that I do want to have just for my team, that it can only be accessible for them. You know, I love sharing everything, and the majority of the stuff here is available for anybody. But I also want to have at least one thing that my team can feel special. So that's why I have the membership login in there. So the booking calendar is in there. It is so fun. See how I have blocked sometimes so that people cannot contact me during those hours, and it's connected to my Google calendar, so it's too fun. Okay, so make sure that you choose which website template you want. You don't have to choose a photography, you can use the business one. Just pick the one that you like, and you can change everything. So I hope this video has been helpful. I tried to make it quick, but I had so much to share with you. Like I said, just type in Wix and how to use Wix onto YouTube, and they also have different tutorials. So I hope it's been helpful. God bless you, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Make sure that you subscribe, and make sure that you like our Tap Into Success LLC Facebook page on Facebook. Thank you. Have a great day.